Okay, guys, we're going to finish up this lesson. So you need those binders again. This is the area of triangles and trapezoids. We did triangles yesterday. Now let's look at trapezoids. Now trapezoids are a little bit more tricky, okay? A trapezoid is one or two triangles. So triangles and a rectangle combined. They're put together. So like if you look at this right here, if I come down, let's make a straight line. I think I can do a straight line. I think there's like a line right here, and I can do line, and then let's do a straight line. Okay, so as you can see from this trapezoid, I have a rectangle and I have a triangle. Okay, so to find the formula, you use the formula A equals 1/2 of B1 plus B2 and then times the height. Okay, where B1 is the length of the first base, and B2 is the length of the second base. And then the height, or the H, is the height of the trapezoid. Now, a lot of times these bases are not where you think they would be, okay? So let's take a look at this. When you see that right triangle, you know that you have the height. So let's fill in our B1, our B2, and our height. That right triangle gives me my height. So I know that's 4, okay? Then from the height, you should be able to see the bases because the bases are going to go between the height. This is not information that you need, okay? So my base 1 can be 7 right there, and my base 2 can be 12. So then my formula, remember my formula, we always want to write the formula. My formula is 1/2 of B1 plus B2 times the height. So now let's plug in the points. 1/2 of 7 plus 12 times the height. Okay, so then 7 plus 12, 7, 8, 9 is 19. So 19. And then, I didn't fill in the height. I meant to fill in the height. And then we could do, there we go. And we could do 4 here. I think because 19 is an odd number, I would rather do 1/2 of 4. So and you can do multiplication any order because it's commutative. So 1/2 of 4 is going to be 2. Then I just have to do 19 times 2, and we get 18, 2, and 3. So 38 inches squared. Okay, let's try one more together. Again, look for the right triangle, and that tells you the height. So our B1, our B2, and our height. So we know our height is 4.2. And then the height connects the two bases. So 6.4 and 7.6. So let's do our formula. 1/2 of 6.4 plus 7.6 times 4.2. Okay? And so if we add these together, I'm going to use my calculator for sake of time. 6.4 plus 7.6, that's going to be 14. Half of 14 is 7. So then I just have to do 4.2 times 7, 14, 28, 29. One decimal would put me right there. Oh, look, I forgot to do the formula and then. So my formula was area equals. I did exactly what I told you guys not to do. I should have done my formula first. So area equals 1/2 of B1 plus B2 times the height. There we go. So now I know that my area is 29.4. And again, that's centimeters squared. Okay. There's only one. No, there's two that you guys get to do on your own. So I want you to do number 8. You try number 8 on your own. Oh, and this one's a little bit tricky. Write that formula first. I'm going to start you with it. It tells you the area already. Ooh, this one's tricky. It tells you the area. So if we write our formula, area equals 1/2 of B1 plus B2 times height. Again, let's look what our height. Where's our height? We don't know our height because this would be the height right here, not this. Not this. X is our height. Oh, it said, look, what is the height? Okay, so our B1 is 12. Our B2 is not 4. Boy, they got really tricky on this one. Our B2 is not 12. You have to do the whole base. The whole base. So 12 plus 4. What is 12 plus 4? 16. This was a tricky one. I'm glad I'm walking you through it. Now let's just plug in our values because we've labeled everything. And our height is going to be X. So 105 equals 1/2 of 12 plus 16 times height. Okay. Now you should be able to add, remember PEMDAS, parentheses first, take a half, then divide and divide to get the height. I'm going to let you finish that up. Okay, how did you do? Did you get it? Okay, and now the last one, I want you to try it on your own. See if you can figure out that you're just writing true or false. Well, you're not going to write it. You're going to answer it on my form. Okay, I hope you do it well. Did you do good? I hope so. That's it for the notes. And now, just like yesterday, we had triangle activities. Today, we have trapezoid activities. And then if you finish anything quickly, you can go back to whatever you didn't finish yesterday. And then tomorrow will be just makeup city. Okay? Okay, bye.